A Canada Medical Drug Buying Guide for Canadians and Americans. Buying drugs in Canada. Because of price controls on prescription drugs in Canada, many Americans who live near the border go across to buy their drugs there. You're supposed to get an American prescription also doubly signed by a Canadian doctor, but many Canadian pharmacists don't bother with this technicality and sell to Americans with American prescriptions. The savings are significant. Many seniors in New York take a bus up to Montreal, buy their drugs then come back. Canadian drug info websites. Pharmacists.ca. Pharmacists.ca/patient guide. Drugdelivery.ca/Canada-drugs-FAQ.aspx. Enopera.ca/resources/online-pharmacies. Verify online pharmacies in Canada. U.S. Customs Service. Public Information Office. 1301 Constitution Avenue Northwest, Washington, D.C. 20229. 202-566-8195. 202-927-6724. Customs.gov. ama-center/press-center/ama-policy-person-importation-prescription-drugs-Canada, importing prescription drugs from Canada to the U.S. drugs.com/news/fda-ok-florida-ok-import-canada-116935.html. canada-cpa/cpc/en/support/articles/prescription-drugs-to-the-us.page. canadadrugtalk.com. cdma-acfpp.org, Canadian Drug Manufacturers Association. ciparx.ca, Canadian International Pharmacy Association. Consumer.ca. Drugcoverage.ca, Prescription Drug Coverage Plan. fda.gov/imported drugs. canada.ca/en/health-products/drugs-products/drug-product-database.html, Canadian Drug Product Database. Pharmacy.ca. Tylenol.ca. pbmrx.com, PBMRX Canadian Prescription Plan. WebMD.com, buying medication in Mexico or Canada. EssentialClinic.ca. Online Canadian prescription drugs for sale. 1. The FDA is in a grey area of the legality of shipments of prescription drugs imported from a Canadian pharmacy by a U.S. consumer because, as far as I know, Florida citizens now have the right to buy drugs from Canada online. Previously, they tried to stop cheaper Canadian drugs from being sold in their country, the U.S. Americans who live near the border take a bus up, buy their drugs then take the bus back. 77canadapharmacy.com. advantage-meds.com. adv-care.com, ADV Care Pharmacy, Canadian Online Prescription. AffordableRx.com. aptcha.com, APTCHA, Canadian Drugstore, discount prescription medication services to the United States. BigMountainDrugs.com, 877-223-9977. BorderRx.com, BorderRx.com, Canadian prescription prices for us residents. CanadaDrugPharmacy.com. CanadaDrugPrices.com. CanadaDrugs.com. CanadaDrugsOnline.com. CanadaDrugSuperstore.com. CanadaFamilyMeds.com, Canada Family Meds, discount prescriptions online pharmacy. CanadaMedicineShop.com. CanadaMedNet.com. CanadaMeds.com, 877-542-3330. CanadaPharmacy.com, Canadian Online Pharmacy, providing both prescription and over-the-counter medications through online, mail and phone. CanadaPharmaceutical.org. CanadaPharmacyStore.com. CanadaRx.com. CanadaRx.net, Canadian Drugs, specializes in selling to Americans. Online Canadian prescription drugs for sale to CanadaRxConnection.com, CanadaRx Connection. CanadaRxDrugServices.com, CanadaRxShop.com, CanadaRxShop. CanadaTrustyRx.com, CanadianDrugs.ca, CanadianDrugSales.com, CanadianDrugsWholesale.com, CanadianMeds.com, CanadianMedSusa.com, CanadianMedsUSA, CanadianPharmacyChoice.com, CanadianPharmachemes.com, CanadianPharmacyTrust.com, CanadianPrescriptionDrugstore.com, 888-572-0832, CanadianPrescriptionSavers.com, CanAmerICADrugs.com, CanDrugstore.com, CanPharm.com, CanTrustyRx.com, CanusaMeds.com, CanusaMeds, ConsumersDiscountryRx.com, CrossBorderPharmacy.com, DiscountRxMart.com/kin_pharmacy.shtml, DoctorsOLVE.com, DrSolve Healthcare Solutions, prescription medications from Canada. DrugDelivery.ca, 877-888-3562. EconomesPlus.com, ExpressMedsCanada.com, GenMed.ca, generic drugs. GetCanadianDrugs.com, IconRx.com. Online Canadian prescription drugs for sale 3. JanDrugs.com, LEPharmacy.com, MAIL-ORDER-CANADIAN-PHARMACY.com, Medizave.ca, my-drugs.ca, MiodCStore.com, NorthDrugStore.com, NorthwestPharmacy.com, OnlineCanadianPharmacy.com, OnlinePharmacyDirect.com, Pharmacy.ca, PharmacyDrugCanada.com, PHARMACY-ONLINE.ca, PharmacyRxWorld.com, PharmaDirect.ca, PrescriptionDrugsCanada.com, PrescriptionPoint.com, an online US and Canadian mail-order prescription service of choice. QualityPrescriptionDrugs.com, 866-885-1866. RELIABLE-ONLINE-DRUGS.com, RxCareCanada.com, RxGenericDrugs.com, RxNorth.com, SeniorsMedSource.com, British Columbia. ShoppersDrugMart.ca, Shopzilla.com/medications, SuddenlySenior.com/CanadianDrugstores.html, TCDs.com, The Canadian Drug Store, TheCanadianMeds.com, UniversalDrugstore.com, USamesOnline.com, VivaCare.com, WorldCanadianDrugstore.com, YourCanadianMeds.com, Canadian Drug Store Lists of Canadian drug stores, DrugStorePharmacy.ca/store_locator_province.asp, PharmaciesDrugstores.com, ShoppersDrugMart.ca, SeniorMag.com/Canadian Pharmacy, SuddenlySenior.com/CanadianDrugstores.html, Canadian Drug Shortages, CanadianGenerics.ca/en/advocacy/shortages.asp, CanadaDrugShortage.com, DrugShortages.ca.